Baked salmon with asparagus and brown rice. Ingredients: 1-2 salmon fillets, 1 bunch of asparagus trimmed, 1 cup brown rice, 2 cups water, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 lemon sliced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon dried dill, 9 salt and pepper to taste. Calories: 400 per serving. Carbohydrates: 35 g per serving. Proteins: 30 g per serving. Fats: 18 g per serving. Dietary restrictions: 1 gluten-free, dairy-free, 3 nut-free, 4 soy-free, 5 egg-free, 6 shellfish-free. Recipe steps: cook the brown rice. 1. In a medium saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. 2. Add the brown rice, reduce heat to low, cover and simmer for 45 minutes or until the water is absorbed and rice is tender. 2. Set aside. Prepare the salmon and asparagus. 1. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. 2. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. 3. Place the salmon fillets and asparagus on the baking sheet. 4. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with minced garlic, dried dill, salt, and pepper. 5. Lay lemon slices over the salmon fillets. Bake. 1. Bake in the preheated oven for 15-20 minutes, or until the salmon flakes easily with a fork and the asparagus is tender. Serve. 1. Divide the brown rice between plates. 2. Place a salmon fillet and asparagus on top of the rice. 3. Garnish with additional lemon slices if desired.